Let's see this question. And the question says that among the triatomic molecules or ions BeCl2, XeF2, ICl2 plus, I3 plus, and ICN2 minus, how many are sp3 hybridized and linear? Choose the correct pairs. So the key concept that we will be using here is the hybridization first of all. And for hybridization, we have to count the steric number. So steric number, for this, you have to count number of sigma bonds plus lone pairs. So this concept we will be using for our question. We have been provided with BeCl2. Let's find the steric number for this. Number of sigma bonds are 2 and 1 lone pair. For 3, hybridization is sp2. But we have to consider for sp3d, so we will not consider this option. Let's move further now. Then XeF2 molecule. फिर से let's find the steric number. And for this, xenon has 2 sigma bonds with fluorine, and then the number of 2 sigma bonds with fluorine, and then the number of lone pairs will be 3, and hence 5 will be the steric number. For this, hybridization will be sp3d. Then for ICN2 minus, number of sigma bonds are 2, and then the number of lone pairs will be 3, that is 5, and sp3d hybridization. Now let's draw the geometry of these two molecules. So XeF2 will be linear. Geometry is TBP and shape is linear. Then for ICN2 minus, again the geometry is TBP and shape is linear. So option B is the correct answer.